Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful rustic looking tree on the budget. Wait until you see that. And if you like it, please press thumbs up and also consider subscribing because I create many beautiful projects on the budget. So for the base of the tree, we are going to use the garden trellis. Yes, it's only $2.29 at Christmas Tree Shop. You can also find a wired one at Dollar Tree or any home improvement store. We are going to cover it with a green garland. This one comes with the lights. It's $5 from Family Dollar, but you can also use the one for $1 from the Dollar Tree and add your own lights. I'm going to use the wire hooks to attach the garland, and also I'm going to add this sleigh. Dollar Tree has a sleigh as well. I noticed that my trellis is broken here on the side, so what I'm going to do here is cover it with the sleigh right there at the bottom. And I'm going to attach my garland starting at the bottom, just because I have the lights cord right there. And I'll continue running the garland all over the trellis and using the wire hooks to attach it. And look how lucky I am. The garland ended where the trellis ends. We're gonna cover up the hole with the sleigh. I'm gonna put it slightly at an angle there, just using half a pipe cleaner, feeding through the holes right there through the top and wrapping around the trellis. All right, this holds up well. I might just use some hot glue at the bottom. And there you go, a nice tree shape, right? This is gonna be a wall Christmas tree for my friend's man cave. He doesn't have space there for a tree, but anybody can find some space on the wall, right? And now the fun part, let's decorate it. We're gonna use some ribbon and we're gonna make a bestie bow, of course. Very easy. Cut your ribbon, 4 strips, 24 inches long. Cut the fishtails by folding the ends in half and cutting diagonally towards the wire, the edge, just like so. We are going to measure 5-inch loop, pinch and hold. Alternating your ribbons, pinch and hold, 5 inches, pinch and hold, and we are going to tie it together with a pipe cleaner. Next, you just put your hand through every loop, just like so, and then fluff up all the ends. You're gonna have to just mix them up. You know, you wouldn't want 2 of the same ribbons next to each other. And flip the ribbon to the right side up, okay? Because some of the ribbon is just one-sided, like this one, for example. And, you know, just fluff, fluff, fluff until a beautiful bow appears. Easy as that. If you've never done a bestie bow before, I have a very detailed tutorial. Feel free to check out this video or the bow topper video. I'm gonna link both of them in the description box below. Next, we are going to attach our bow just with that pipe cleaner that's there in the back. Twist tie it a few times to the top of our tree. Quick and easy bow topper. And now we are going to add some ornaments. These are mostly from the Dollar Tree. The antlers are from Hobby Lobby. Mini stockings, whatever you have, whatever matches your decor. We also gonna add some berry picks, pine cones, and those pine ties from the Dollar Tree. They make a great addition to fill up the tree. I'm looking at this ornament and I think the wreath clashes a little bit here, so I'm just going to remove it and add the deer's head in the center of the bow. I like that better. It's white, it pops. Just adding some hot glue and attaching it right there. Next, I'm going to attach those antlers, and let's see, one on the side over here with some hot glue and wire, and then the next one on the opposite side. Next, you're going to cut the pigs in small pieces and add a few in a bow topper. Next, add your ornaments. Just use some wire hooks to secure them better. Once you hang all your ornaments, you can fill in the holes with some of the little pigs that you cut apart. We're going to actually make little bundles, like I used the pine tie and some pine cones and berries. Wrap it around all together, little bundles like that, and add them throughout the tree. You can just attach it with some hot glue. And if you run out of your pigs and still need a little extra, go ahead, use those green pine ties. They make great fillers here and there for some extra greenery.
All right, that looks beautiful and full. Now I just want to add a little bit of ribbon for a cherry on the top. I actually wind up using 3 strips, 12 inches long, and I'm just folding it in half, making a tiny loop like this, tying it with the floral wire, and we're gonna attach it here and there. Something like that, very easy. Let's put one here on the side of the sleigh. We're gonna make one more, put it on the opposite side. And the third one right here on the top right. I don't need to add any at the bottom because I have many stockings with that pattern there. But if you don't, you might need that color down there too. And there we go, a beautiful tree on the budget. Can you believe that was a garden trellis? Hang it on your wall, doesn't take up much space, easy to put away, and you don't have to redecorate it every year.
Did you like that? I hope you did. Please make sure you hit the like button. Also consider subscribing. Many more creative ideas coming up, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye, my bestie.
And if you love Rustic Christmas, don't forget to check out this video as well.